Have you ever wondered why some designs just seem to grab your attention and hold it? What makes them so compelling? The answer lies in understanding the principles and elements of design. We begin with the principles of design, the fundamental guidelines that designers use to create an effective and impactful composition. First up, we have balance. Balance gives a design its form and stability. It keeps our designs from feeling too heavy in one area. Balance can be symmetrical, where elements are mirrored around a central axis, or asymmetrical, where different elements balance each other out without being identical. Next is contrast. Contrast is the juxtaposition of opposing elements such as color, shapes, or textures. It adds interest and energy to a design and guides the viewer's eyes to key elements. Then we have emphasis. Emphasis determines the focal point of a design, the part that most stands out and catches the viewer's eye. Designers often create emphasis through contrast, size, or placement. Fourthly, we have movement. Movement guides the viewer's eye path through and around the work. It can be accomplished with lines, shapes, colors, and even with certain types of scale and positioning. Finally, we have repetition. Repetition strengthens a design by tying together individual elements. It helps to create association and consistency. Now, let's move on to the elements of design. These are the components or parts of a design. We start with line. Lines can be horizontal, vertical, diagonal, or curved. They can direct the viewer's attention, create length, suggest emotion, and much more. Next is shape. Shapes are two-dimensional, flat, or limited to height and width. They can be geometric or organic. Thirdly, we have color. Color can set the mood, attract attention, or make a statement. It can be warm or cool, vibrant or subdued. Then we have texture. Texture is the perceived surface quality of a work. It can be physical, like the surface of a painting, or visual, like the illusion of texture in a photograph. Lastly, we have space. Space refers to the areas around, between, or within components of a design. It can be positive or negative, open or closed, shallow or deep. In summary, the principles and elements of design work together to create an effective, engaging, and aesthetically pleasing design. Balance, contrast, emphasis, movement, and repetition are the key principles. Lines, shapes, color, texture, and space make up the key elements. Understanding these aspects allows one to appreciate the beauty in design and also create compelling designs themselves. Now, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights on design and creativity. Until next time, keep exploring and keep designing.